Hi, hello once again mula pa rin sa probinsya ng Cagayan Valley. Kaibigan mo, kaisbil mo pa rin, Craigie Falcon. O biyag to'y biyag ko, ipangad mo, dahi to'y puso paakululong. Di mo ka ipaidam, o biyag to'y biyag ko ay indinga.
When I first saw you, with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I'd spend a lifetime waiting for the right time. Now that you're near, the time is here at last. It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait.
Nukas bilang ta, aglunen to'y rikna, ikariken ka, di kanto agluwa, namnamaen nga,
Let your arms invite me, for who knows when we'll meet again this way. It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow